Hi. Many of us need to stay at home these days because of the corona. Um, and some of us will, probably been going on for a few weeks now, and that's going to be quite an unpleasant situation. So before we start the process to relieve some of these unpleasant things or feelings, and some advice about what you can do to make things better for you. So the first thing is to look after your body. Yeah. So try to eat healthy food, not so much junks or things full with sugar, but healthy fruit, vegetables, whenever you can. Yeah, it will be good for your body to get healthy food. And also drink a lot of water. Make sure that you're drinking enough water. Water are really, really important to keep the balance in the body. The other area is the what you can call maybe the energetic food that you eat. So try to do things uh, that you love to do, that are pleasant for you to do. Spend time reading, watching nice things on television. Try to not watch the news too much. Just the necessary, just to know the facts. If you can limit it, the less the better. Maybe use the time to learn new skills or develop a hobby, cooking, knitting, playing an instrument. You can use the time to have some more increase or have more intimate relations with friends or family members, spend time talking, reading books that will enhance you, that will give you, a good intellectual food or good emotional food. Um, so look after yourself in those aspects, yeah. Try to be out whenever you can. If you can go out. If not, just even sit by the window or a balcony if you have, so you get some fresh air and your eyes get to see to a long distance. Otherwise, just short distance. When they hit the walls all the time, also is very can be very stressful. Uh, if you can find time to do during every day, some time to do meditations or whatever other kind of exercises. Um, that helps to calm you down and enhance your life and bring different kind of feeling and thoughts into your life. Um, you can use the media to learn things and watch things. There's a lot of things now available. Many of them are free. Um, yeah. So don't go under the time. Keep yourself like under the water or under the waves. Keep yourself above. Yeah. And see what you can do to make things more pleasant and more enjoyable for yourself. And the most important thing maybe to remember, it will pass. Yeah, it will pass. Everything passes. This is one of the wonderful things about this planet. Things are temporary. They come, they stay for a while. The life moves on. Yeah. So let's now do a process to relieve some of these unpleasant feelings that you may have. And as always, you take full responsibility for yourself. Yeah. So look inwardly and see what you feel. See if there's any tensions, any fears, worries, anxieties, um, all the things that you may feel which are unpleasant for you at the time. Yeah, you may choose to pick just one of them, one aspect, or you may take the whole package. There's a one thing, whatever is more comfortable for you. Yeah, and feel it, and notice how big or how strong it is. You can give it a number between 0 and 10 if you want to, so you know your starting point. Okay, so and let's start with me. I release and let go. Release the fear. Release the worries. It's okay. It will pass. It's okay. It will pass. It's okay to breathe. It's safe to be. I let it all go. Take a deep breath. Once again, see how you feel. Create a feeling. are with me. I release and let go. It's okay. It's safe to do it. The tension is gone. The worries are gone. The anxiety is no longer there. It's all melting away. It's okay. I'm actually strong enough. I'm discovering I'm stronger than I thought. I'm more resilient than I thought. I'm okay. I know it will pass. It's all melting away. And I'm fine. It's safe now. Now look again, see how you feel. See what is it that is most difficult for you. Is it the fact that you need to stay at home? Is it the worries about your finance? Is it the worries about your job? Is it the worries about a family member? Or being away from people that you love? Or maybe it's the worry about, you don't know what's going to happen, when will it end, what it will be after, what will life will be after that. Yeah. So notice which of the aspect is like most prime in you. Are you with me? I choose to let it go. I choose to stay in the now. I choose to stay in the present. I'm okay now. Now I'm safe. Now I'm home. There's enough food in the fridge. I'm healthy. Now everything is okay. I don't know what will happen, but I choose to trust. I choose to trust. It's okay. I don't need to worry. I don't need to suffer. It's okay to relax. It's safe to let go. To simply be. It's okay. I can feel it in my heart that it is okay to let go. Yes, it's fine. So I choose to trust. I choose to be in the now. It's okay. The body relaxes. My breathing relaxes. The abdomen relaxes. My chest relaxes. It's okay. I'm safe now. And I choose to trust. So, feel what you feel. Notice the changes. Notice which part of you is more relaxed now, or where there's less tension and there's more expansion internally. Yeah? And it's okay. We don't have to hold on, we don't have to be tight, we don't need to worry. Yeah? Just let what will happen, happen. As we move from now to now to now, yeah? When the future will come and will become our now, we will be there. And we will deal with it the best we can. It's the only thing we can do. The best we can. And there is help. There is help. Yeah? But important is that we will help ourselves and be kind and gentle to ourselves. Yeah? So don't need to move in our mind forward and cause unnecessary worries and fears. We don't know what's going to happen. Let's trust, let's try to trust. Be comfortable now. Relax. Do nice things. Yeah? With me. The tension is gone. The fears are much less. And it's okay. Actually, it feels good. It feels good to be like that. The truth is, I don't know. Nobody knows. And it's okay. It's safe. The planet is huge. Part of a huge solar system, which is part of a huge galaxy, which is part of a unbelievable huge universe. We are part of this huge living thing. And something looks after all this. Must be. There's no other way. There is some power, some intelligence that looks after all this. So I choose to trust, to simply be. It's okay. It will pass. And now go in your mind to this area, which is the area of the heart chakra, or the heart energy system. So you can close your eyes and in your mind be there. See yourself being there. And if you're there, smile. Just send a smile, or be there in your mind, smiling inside your heart center. And let the smile get softer and gentler, melting everything. You see in your mind as if the area is all filled with light, all the chest area. Through the smile there is a light. There's light in your chest, and it's spreading throughout all the body, up through the neck, to the face, and down to the abdomen, pelvis area, your hands and legs. It's all filled with light. And know that you are loved. We are all loved by life. You can open your eyes gently. And this is it for now. Once again, be kind to yourself. Be kind to other people whenever you can. Offer help, offer a smile, some encouragement. We all need it. Yeah, we are together in it. And together we'll go through it. And what will happen, we'll face it. Strong and soft and kind. Take care. Let's make it together a much better place for all of us, all living things, because we deserve the best. Take care. Bye bye.